The correct answer, the least common multiplication of any two prime numbers is their product. Such that 2 and 3, we can find the least common multiplication between 2 and 3 by multiplication 2 factors. 2 by 3 equals 6. Okay, but in this example, we want to find right in the space their product. Choose the fourth choosing here. Question letter B. 6 times the sum of 7 and 5. It will be 6 times 7 plus 5. It will be 12. And 6 times 12. It will be 72. But in this example, you want to find the equality expression. About this expression, we can use distributive properties. 6 by 7 and 6 by 5. Okay, it's the result. 6 times 7 plus 6 times 5. The result will be 6 multiplication by 7 plus 6 times 5. We used here distributive properties. Question letter C. The algebraic term negative 1 over 5x has two factors. We have negative 1 over 5x. We have here two factors. X, we called it algebraic factors, and negative 1 over 5 numerical factors. Then we have here two factors. The result will be two factors. Right, 2. Okay. Question letter D. Ahmed and Tamer have 60 pounds. If Ahmed has x pounds, then Tamer has the remainder. From the total 60, subtract by x. X refers to the pounds with Ahmed. Question letter E. 4 power 2, its meaning 4 multiplication by itself. 4 by 4 equals 16. Letter F. Space R, categorical data. Categorical data here. Who can tell me categorical data? It will be favorite colors. Favorite colors. Favorite colors. Okay. Question letter G. In each of the bar graphs and histogram, bars are used to represent data. Bars represent data. Bars are used to represent data. Okay. Letter G. Choose the first solution here. For choosing, choose this. Bars are used to represent data. Okay. Next question. Second. Letter E. If 976 equal 61 times 16, then 985 divided by 61, it will be equal 16, and the remainder will be equal what? To find the remainder, you must find the difference between the first dividend here and the second number here. Find the difference between them. It will be 985 subtract by this number 976. It will be the difference between them. It will be 9. Then the remainder here, it will be equal 9. Write 9 in the space. It's the remainder. Question letter B. Space is the only prime even number. It will be 2. Okay, letter B. The result will be 2. Question letter C. The coefficient in the algebraic expression 3xy, it will be 3. 3, we called it coefficient or absolute term. Okay. Question letter D. Letter D. Two numbers whose sum is 12, one of which is D, so the other number, it will be the difference between the total and the first number, D. 12 minus D. Okay. Understood? Question letter E. Question letter E. The value of the expression 3 times 3 product by y power 2 minus 5 if y equal 3. It will be what? Put y equal 3 here. 3 times 3 power 2 equal 9 minus 5. It will be 3 product by 4, and 3 times 4 it will be equal 12. Question letter F. 5 equal absolute value of A, then A equal positive 5 or negative 5. Here it will be 5 or negative 5. Question letter G. Space data is written in the form of number. We know numerical. Numerical data is written in the form of numbers. Numerical, okay? The numerical data written in the form of numbers. Question letter H. The range equal maximum value subtracted by minimum value. It's range. Maximum value subtract by minimum value. Okay, subtract here between maximum value and minimum value. Question letter. Okay, we finished now. Question number 2. Now I will solve third questions here. Choose the correct answer. Letter E. All positive integers greater than 0. Positive integers greater than 0. Question letter B. Absolute value of 3.7. Absolute value of 3.7 here. It will be positive 3.7. Okay. Question letter C. E divided or plus A plus 8 equal 15. Then A will be 7 because 7 plus 8 equal 15. Letter D. The inequality that represent all values left of 5, it will be x less than 5 on the number line. Question letter E. In E equal 5D, the dependent variable, it will be A. A we called it dependent and D independent. If the mean of the values is 10, then the value of x equal space. First we know mean equal sum of all values divided the number of values. How many values here in this example? We have 12, 15, x, and 8. He give us the mean equal 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 numbers. Then 12. Okay, 12 plus 15 plus 8. 12 plus 8 equal 20. 20 plus 15 equals 35. 35 plus x equal 10. Then 4 multiplication by 10 equal 40. Using the product of extremes equals the product of means. Then x will be equal 5. Okay, x here it will be equal 5. Understood? Next question, letter G. The median of the values represented here, it will be 35. 35 here is the median. Okay, right, 35. It's very easy. Okay, and we know the minimum value was 31 and the maximum 38. And quarter 1, the lower quarter here it will be 32 and the upper quarter 36 and the median was 35. Fourth question. Fourth number 1. A baker prepared 696 pieces of baklava at party. If each tray contains 12 pieces of baklava, how many trays will be needed to prepare all the baklava. We can use the here long division to find the number of the baklava. Okay, question number 1. We have 696 divided by 12. Using long division, 696 divided by 12. 6 divided by 12, we can do that. 69 divided by 12 equal 5, because 5 times 12 equals 60, and the difference between numbers 9, and then drop 6. 96 divided by 12 equal 8. 8 times 12 equal 96. Okay, then the result here will be 58 trays. Okay, question number 2. Basim runs 1 kilometer in 20 minutes. Then the number of kilometers that Basim runs in 10 minutes, it will be the result or the quotient between t and 20. Write t over 20 here. To find the number of kilometers that Basim runs in 10 minutes, we must divide t by 20. Okay, t divided by 20. Question number 3. Hazim owns discount card of 70 pounds complete. Letter A, the equations that represent the relationship between Hisham or Hazim's purchase amounted X pounds and the amount to be paid after discount Y equal. So we must write the number here Y to raise to the total, and X subtract by 70. Okay, discount here. Understood? It was letter A. Letter B. If purchase price before the discount is 560 pounds, then the required amount will be what? We must find the difference between two numbers. Okay, write X equal 560 and 70. Put X here equal 560, subtract by 70, 0. 16 minus 7 equal 9, and then write 4. The result will be 490. Okay, the result will be 490 pounds. Using the following histogram to complete intervals tables, we have here from 0 to 9, the result will be 8. Write 8 in the tables here. First interval. Second interval, the image here was 14. Third was 6. And the fourth was the image here 18. And the last one here was 10. Okay, it's finished sketch.